Good morning. So today I'm going to be making a smoothie bowl, a very berry smoothie bowl. And this is a surprise for my daughter who's asleep right now, so I'm having to keep my voice down this morning. But I made these yesterday, these very berry smoothies that I froze overnight. And this is blackberry, blueberry, raspberry with some probiotic yogurt and honey, and I made that recipe yesterday. And I froze it overnight, and now I'm just gonna plop a few of these into the bowl. I'm gonna just push this out like that, and here we go. We have some fruit below, and you can also microwave these a little bit to make it, more easily to eat. So you could do that for a few seconds. Microwave. Meanwhile, I have some vanilla granola, some chocolate chips. I know she likes raisins. So I'm just gonna, and some maple syrup to dribble through. Let's see if this is So you can add what you like. If you like honey, or maybe you like dried cherries, or maybe you like whipped cream, or nuts are great to add, some walnuts or almonds, whatever you enjoy eating. That's what I would use to decorate it. Actually, I'm gonna get some whipped cream. I think she would love some whipped cream on it. I'm just going to mash this up here. So that we get the smoothie in the bottom. She just likes a little bit of granola. If you like more granola, by all means add more. If not, just a little. I know she loves raisins, but that may be too much for her. Lately, she's been trying to eat just a little bit healthier. Whipped cream. And let's see. I don't want to make this too sweet. Okay. Since she loves raisins, I think adding a little bit of raisins would be fine. I know she loves maple syrup, so maybe just a tad bit. And there we have it. We have a nutritious, delicious smoothie bowl. And it's a great way to get your fruit in, your fiber, your vitamins. A smoothie day keeps the doctor away. Enjoy.